Viewers, even as the country is waiting for justice, as far as the Kolkata horror case is concerned, we have got another shocking case for you from the state of Maharashtra. Massive anger is being witnessed in Badlapur in Maharashtra's Thane district, with people gathering at the railway station in large numbers and stopping the movement of trains. Just look at the visuals that we are getting for you. Pay attention to the visuals that we have. These protest, viewers, are being held against the alleged sexual assault of two 4-year-old school children by a cleaning staff member. These protesters are claiming that there has been a delay in police action and they are demanding hanging of the culprit. Just look at the number of people who have come out. This is a shocker that we have got from Thane. Now, visuals from the Badlapur railway station are showing protesters blocking the railway tracks and pelting stones at the police personnel. The Central Railway said the movement of local trains was held up at the railway station from 10:10 in the morning. Protesters also gathered outside the school where the alleged sexual assault took place. Angry protesters tried getting inside the school and were seen hurling smoke bombs inside the school premises as well. The two minors, viewers, were allegedly sexually assaulted by a cleaning staff member on August 12th and 13th in the washroom of a school. But the cops finally filed the FIR on 16th of August and arrested the accused, who was hired by the school on a contractual basis. The state government has ordered the formation of a SIT to investigate the incident. Chief Minister's office has said that the Chief Minister, Eknath Shinde, has taken serious note of the incident and has warned that action will be taken against the management if such an incident occurs. He also has directed that the case should be tried in the fast-track court immediately so that the accused can be dealt with strictly.
देखिए, ये बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंस है। हमने सीसीटीवी कंपलसरी कर दिया है, लेकिन जो रिपोर्ट मेरे पास आ गई उसके हिसाब से यहाँ का सीसीटीवी बंद था। तो आज हम लोग नया सर्कुलर भी निकाल रहे हैं कि सिर्फ सीसीटीवी बिठाना काफ़ी नहीं है, उसको चालू रखने की जिम्मेदारी भी स्कूल की है। स्कूल को हमने नोटिस निकाला है, उसके प्रिंसिपल, उसके क्लास टीचर और 2 असिस्टेंट को निलंबित किया गया है। तो ये सब कार्रवाई हम लोग कर रहे हैं। सिर्फ एक ही बात है कि जब पुलिस के पास ये मामला पहुंचता है तो तुरंत उस पर एक्शन होनी चाहिए। वहाँ की जो सीनियर पीआई है उन्होंने 12 घंटे के बाद इस पर एक्शन लिया, इसलिए उनका ट्रांसफ़र तो हो गया। लेकिन मेरी ये मांग डिप्टी सीएम साहब के साथ रहेगी, तो इस अधिकारी को सस्पेंड कीजिए।
This, whatever happened, is absolutely shameful and unpardonable, and even I feel that such people should be hanged. And another thing is that we should not politicize these things, but definitely if the police officers have failed in doing their duty, the pregnant mother was made to wait for 11 hours. So if this type of insensitive resides within the police force, then definitely they need to be taken to task.
Let's now go across to my colleague Shweta, who is joining us live from Badlapur at this point in time. Shweta, over to you. Tell us how the situation is right now. Some really shocking details are emerging in this case.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, let me quickly cut across you to the visuals from Badlapur railway station. In fact, we are trying to establish the top angle visuals for our viewers so that this can be very clearly understood that what kind of situation has arisen here at Badlapur, where we see flock of people. In fact, we see entire sea of people around here in Badlapur, and over there the railway officials are trying to pacify the commuters, the parents, the residents of Badlapur, but all in vain. As the visuals are being seen, Uday is also trying to show you the large crowd that has gathered here at Badlapur. The railway track is totally been filled up by people, and it's not just now, it's already been 4 hours where the parents have been protesting large in numbers, and they are keeping their demand ahead, stating that the culprit should be hanged, or as the culprit should be handed over to this very public over here. And as soon as the public started gathering here in massive numbers, it's not just RPF but also Maharashtra Suraksha Bal, Mumbai Police, every police official gathered here. But all we see is that despite heavy development and the deployment of police, of course, but nothing seems to be working out as far as the security is concerned. Moreover, fortunately, what we are reporting from ground is no untoward incident that has taken place. Although the commuters, the protesters are saying that this is going to be a peaceful protest, but this doesn't seem so. However, they have been staging demonstration. They have been demanding and seeking justice, stating that the accused should be hanged to death. But here also very important point that they have been highlighting is the safety and security of people. Nevertheless, one more important point they are trying to establish here is the various schemes that has been brought by the Mahayuti Sarkar. They have been saying that we really do not want Ladki Bahin Yojana. Rather, we would appreciate if we get Surakshit Bahin Yojana and all such things. In fact, while we were speaking to many of the female parents, they were raising their concerns that how it is scaring them, the very thought of sending their child to school. In fact, a parent just a short while back, in fact, he told us that he was really scared to drop the child at the school gate. He ensured that he went till the classroom and he dropped the child. But of course, here what we also see is that the protest which is taking place is to be understood that this is likely to happen tomorrow as well, because they have been gathering and stating that until they get any solution from the Sarkar, they are going to continue the protest, and most likely tomorrow also it is going to happen the same. And of course, disruption that has taken place in the railway line where thousands of commuters were struck, and the rescheduling and the delay of the train.
So three crucial points you have raised for our viewers. One, of course, being that the protest is likely to continue tomorrow as well. As of now, it's been a peaceful protest. That's what the protesters really want, and they want, instead of schemes like Ladli Behna, they want Surakshit Behna. Safety and security of women, children is the need of the hour, and if young girls are not safe in schools where they spend at least 8 to 9 hours in a day, then where else are they safe apart from their homes? And also there is a key demand that the accused should be hanged to death. Shweta, I request you to stay on with us. Let me also, get our viewers a reaction we've got from Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis.
एक प्रकार से कुकर्म करने का प्रयास किया है, कुकर्म किया है, ये बहुत ही गंभीर इस प्रकार की बात है और हम इसकी बहुत ज्यादा निंदा करते हैं। और राज्य सरकार ने इस मामले में एक एसआईटी का निर्माण किया है। आईजी लेवल की महिला अधिकारी को एसआईटी का प्रमुख बनाया गया है। हमारा यह प्रयास है कि इस मामले की तुरंत जांच होकर और चार्जशीट भी जाए और फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में इसको हम चलाने की कोशिश करेंगे, ताकि जो पीड़िता है उनको एक प्रकार से उसमें न्याय मिल पाए। इस प्रकार का हमारा प्रयास होगा।
Let's now go across to my colleague Arunil, who's also joining us live for more on this. Arunil, clearly now this is a big issue in the state of Maharashtra, with outrage, anger spilling on the streets, and now SIT is something that has been constituted. But the question is how soon the action will be taken, because protesters have come out with very, very clear demands, and delay in police action is also being questioned.
The protest clearly has escalated. In fact, the citizens of Badlapur as well as the surrounding areas in Thane district particularly joined in the protest, and they were sitting on the railway tracks as well, trying to hold off or trying to halt the main lifeline of the Thane district, that is the local train. After that, clearly pressure mounted on the Maharashtra government. Under pressure, Deputy CM, beg your pardon, and Home Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced that a special investigation team is being made to investigate as well as to ensure that justice is meted out to the parents as well as to the two minor girls in this case. However, what the protesters basically are saying is extremely serious. They basically are saying that this is a prominent school. It didn't even have proper security measures like CCTV cameras. why a woman staff was not present in the washroom is also another question that they are raising over here. Why a male was allowed to enter the premises of a washroom? That is a pertinent question that has been asked. Yes, the male cleaner has been arrested now, but the protesting parents basically are also saying that it took 12 hours for the local cops to register a basic FIR. But the concerned senior PI, senior police inspector, has been transferred.
Right.
All kind of damage control measures have been initiated by the Maharashtra government. However, this incident...
And the question really is that why are all these steps being announced only when people have come out on the streets? I mean, the incident happened on 12th and 13th of August. You are saying the police took time to even file the FIR, and only when people have come out on the streets demanding justice that now we are seeing these quick responses coming in from the government. Arunil, requesting you to stay on with us. In fact, we have